Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, CarNet satellite communications, audio, speed sensitive volume control, child safety locks, first aid kit, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.